Hello everyone, I hope you all are in a good state. So today I am going to share with you what are the 15 best ways to make money online in New Zealand 2021. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So let's start the video. So in New Zealand you can find many freelancing jobs portal on the internet. All you have to do is create a profile on these job portals and upload some of your work. After that you can take some small project to start your work. The benefits of freelancing using these portal for finding the jobs that you can get a lot of work. You can also build a business relationship with a client so that you can get more projects from them. It is a great platform from which you can start your freelancing work. It will surely help you to gain more clients in business to earn money. Freelancing is one of the most popular method to make money online in New Zealand. There is a high demand for the freelancers on the internet, so you can start searching for jobs on freelancing portals and choose the projects which suits your business or ideas. Number two, copywriter. Copywriter is another popular method to make money online in New Zealand. Almost every major company requires operating services in order to do the marketing of their products and services. By using the help of operating services, the company can also add a group of people to take special actions. The copywriting services include work for magazines, in newspapers, sales, letter, direct mail, television, commercial, radio, social media posts, and many other marketing communication services. There are different type of projects available for copywriting work, and you can work on multiple jobs at once to earn more money online. You can also start to work online and earn money through copywriting work. You can also work under a professional or experienced copywriter and learn all the skills required for the job. If done properly, copywriting can be one of the highly paid jobs that you can do in New Zealand. Number three is blogging. If you have a topic that you are interested in, then you can start a blog on it. By writing a specific type of content and topics, you help to generate more traffic on your websites. After that, you can start using affiliated marketing to generate income for your blog. Start a blog and making money from it can be a massive job. Sometimes it takes a lot of time and effort to make a big popular blog. It is essential that you learn all the proper steps for starting a blog to ensure that you can get the best results. Number four, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way for you to start making money online in New Zealand. You can look for a profitable affiliated client for your blog. There are companies or people who will pay you when you send the customers their way. One of the most popular e-commerce websites, Amazon, also offers an affiliate programs. You can search for some products or look for keywords that relate to your niche. With the help of affiliate marketing, you can bring relevant traffic from your website to marketing websites. Number five, selling ebooks. Another great way to make money online in New Zealand is to sell books. You can partner with e-commerce websites like Amazon and sell ebooks online. There are many ways in which you can sell the books. If you have some old books, then you can sell them to generate some money. Number six, sell products online. For the people who are related to the production and manufacturing work, you can start to sell your products online. If you cannot go out to the sell to your products, you can take the help of the internet. It is a major platform where you can connect with hundreds and thousands of people. All you have to do is start a website and provide details about the products. You can write information about the quality of materials and many other things related to the product. It will help you to generate more sales and increase profit. You can simply earn a lot of profit as you will be catering to the services to the millions of people on the internet. It is a great way to make money online in New Zealand, as you can start your own e-commerce website. Even if you do not know how to start a website, you can take the help of major platforms like Amazon. Number seven, app development. App development is another most popular and required services. Every major company uses the help of our development services to make the business popular. By creating an application of their services and products can help them to generate more traffic and sales. That is why the app developers are in high demand and these jobs are highly paid. If you wish to become an app developer, then how to learn different types of computer languages and coding. It can be one of the most challenging skills to acquire, and you need to learn all the things accordingly. If you do not know about the app development services, then you need to take help from any coaching center. By developing apps for companies or small businesses can help you to generate incomes. After acquiring skills for your development, you can start to work on small projects to gain more clients and then earn money. Number last, create and sell online courses. Nowadays, it has become quite impressive method to use your online courses to earn money. If you want to reach their kids from different states and countries, then you can upload the courses online. I hope you enjoyed this video very well. If you have any query, let me let me know in comment section, or you can WhatsApp me as well. So I hope you will like this video. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.